Installation of the Bumgun bidet sprayer. Stage 1. Turn off the main water supply. Stage 2. Remove existing valve. Remove the existing valve from the wall and discard. Stage 3. Applying Teflon tape to the valve threads. Apply Teflon tape to all 3 threads of the 3-way valve. This will ensure a tight fit with all connectors to prevent leaks. Stage 4. Joining the water line with the 3-way valve. Insert the plastic filter gauze in the horizontal water feed of the valve. Screw in the valve to the water feed line coming from your wall and attach the hose. Stage 5. Marking holes for drilling. Use the bidet spray holder as a guide to mark the holes for drilling. The centres of the 2 holes are 15 mm apart. Clean off any preparation marks. Stage 6. Drill holes for all plugs. Stage 7. Fixing the holder into place. Insert the 2 raw plugs. Line up the holder. Screw in firmly. Stage 8. Insert the filter washer. Insert the filter washer to the base of the hose and screw into the 3-way valve. Stage 9. Insert the washer. Insert the washer and screw in the hose to the handle of the bidet sprayer. Stage 10. Testing. Turn the water supply back on. Open the 3-way valve and check for leakages. Inspect all joints for any leakages and tighten if necessary. Note: you can use an adjustable wrench to confirm that all connections are tightened securely. Enjoy the huge benefits of the Bumgun bidet sprayer. Be sure to turn off the water valve after every use for extra safety. Thank you for listening.